Hi, Guitar Club. Let's talk about some tuning tips. So, I recommend having a snark. I find them quite useful. You put them on the headstock of the guitar like so, and then you have your handy dandy tuner, and they pick up the vibrations really well, and they're pretty accurate. And when you're learning how to tune, I need you to be patient with yourself. You're going to learn how much you need to move your tuning peg, and your ear is going to start to learn where it sounds in tune from guidance with the snark. So the sixth string is a low E, and when we're tuning it, when you go counterclockwise up to the ceiling, if your guitar's strung correctly on the sixth, fifth, and fourth string, that means it's going to go higher. So I'm going this way, and I just want my snark to show me in the middle that it's in an E. Notice you want to tune up into a note. You don't want to tune down into the note. If I'm a little too high, hear how that's sharp? I always go flat, and then I tune up into it. And sometimes I just slowly go up in little millimeters, and then I stop moving it, and I check it with my ear. So the fifth string is an A. Let's say I'm a little too high, I'm too sharp. All right, so I'm gonna go lower, just a little bit. I'm not a major turn, just a little bit, a little flat. And now I'm slowly getting it in tune. It's also nice to give your guitar string a little shake if it's got fresh strings on it, and it helps the string catch down by the bridge of your guitar. Now I'm checking the fourth string. The fourth string is the D string.